Do you want to get a Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop? Let me show you how you can do that. So if you're on a Windows PC, you can go ahead and you can easily use the browser that exists in it. And typically you'll find Edge. So you want to click the Windows key on your keyboard and you may find Edge on the pinned section here, or you can just simple type in Edge and you'll find Microsoft Edge. And so once you open up the browser, you just go ahead and type in Google Chrome. For example, download Google Chrome download, and you will see download Google Chrome here. And you will see right here as well where it says even download now or whatever. So you can choose whichever button you want. Now from here, you will see that you can download Chrome and you will see it start to download automatically. In Microsoft Edge, you will see it gives you the, let's say, the option to choose if you want to open or save as or saved. Just go ahead and click and save and it will download for you. And here you can even open the file location where it is. In my case, it is stored right here under the downloads folder and I can just double click and run this. Right, so once you double click and run this to install Google Chrome, it's going to go ahead now and download. And then, so let me show you what happened. You double click on it, it's good. You're going to choose yes, and it's going to start to download Chrome. I'm going to cancel that right now because I don't want that. So cancel installation. So you can see right there that it started trying to download Google Chrome. And once it finished downloads, then it will install it on your computer and you'll be able to use Google Chrome on your PC. And once you open up Google Chrome, you will be able to even pin it to your taskbar. So you can just right click on the Chrome once it's open and you can just pin to taskbar and it will be available there. So you can just simply click on it. And that's it.